some new people I've met that hopefully I'll get to hook up again with and go riding again. See them at another event. Um, it it brings everybody together.
So day 3 Explore the PA Roberts Ford Tour, we do the Kettle Loop, and this is the longest mileage day, about 140 miles, but probably 95% of that is on dirt and gravel roads, including a nice like 60-mile stretch of just non-stop gravel.